wonder how some projects seem to just breeze on through the happy, successful path? Meanwhile, we've got other projects that just seem to hit obstacle after obstacle. Let me tell you, it can actually boil down to your project environment. What happens inside and outside of your organization, well, it can have a positive, negative, or neutral influence on your project. First, let's go ahead and talk about the internal environmental factors. So internal environmental factors, well, that's what's happening inside of the organization, and that can be anything from company culture to the available resources or the various divisions within the organization. Other examples of internal environmental factors are organizational process assets. These are also known as OPAs, and most companies, organizations, they maintain two different types of OPAs. The first one they maintain are going to be your processes, your procedures, and your policies. And the second one, those are your organizational knowledge repositories. This can include everything from templates, statement of works, it could be lessons learned on projects. Now on the flip side, we have external environmental factors. And external environmental factors, well, those go beyond your organization's control. And some examples of external environmental factors are social and cultural influences, such as your customs and your traditions and public holidays. For example, think about Christmas, right? Most companies are closed on Christmas, and that could impact your project in some way, right? Another example could be government regulation. You also want to make sure that your project aligns with national, state, and local regulations to make sure compliance. Now, another example could be industry standards, right? And this is another one. You want to make sure that your project adheres to industry standards to ensure that your project meets all of the best practices and quality benchmarks within your field. And last but not least, your physical environment. The weather can have an influence on your project outcomes. Yes. Well, as you can see, internal and external environmental factors can have a significant impact on your project, and that's why it's super important to make sure that you consider all of this from the get-go. Well, there you have it. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and follow for more project management tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep rocking those projects.